In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in a ClickUp space. Automations in ClickUp help you cut out repetitive work by reacting to events and taking actions for you. Let's walk through creating one from scratch so you understand the full flow and can reuse the pattern later. Start by opening the space where you want your automation to live. On the right side of the screen, click the lightning bolt icon to open automations. This panel is where you'll create new rules and review existing ones for that space. Choose Create Automation or Add Automation to start building. If you want to check what's already set up, you can click Manage Automations first to see every rule currently in place. Every automation follows the same structure: a trigger that starts it, a source that defines where it applies, optional conditions that narrow it down, and one or more actions that happen as a result. Keeping that pattern in mind makes complex rules much easier to design. Let's set the trigger. Click Trigger and choose the event that starts the rule. A common choice is Task is created, which fires whenever a new task appears. You can also pick options like task status changes or date field is changed if that suits your workflow better. Next, select the source. Click Source and decide whether this rule should watch the entire space, a specific folder, a particular list, or a defined task group. This scoping keeps your automation focused and prevents it from acting where it shouldn't. If you want to narrow it further, add a condition. For example, choose Assignee Is and select yourself or a teammate. With that in place, the automation only runs when a task is created and assigned to that person. If the condition isn't met, ClickUp simply skips the rule. Now set the action. Click Action or Then and choose what should happen, such as Move Task to List. Pick the destination list name. If you want the task to appear in two places, check Move and keep a copy in Current List to create a duplicate while preserving the original. You can add more conditions if needed, perhaps only run when priority is urgent or when status is approved. Remember, all conditions you add must be true for the rule to fire. Before saving, review the preview line so it reads clearly, like, when a task is created and a condition is true, then move that task to a list. Give the rule a clear name, such as automatically move my tasks to review list. Add a short description if helpful, then click Create or Save to activate it. After it's live, you can toggle the rule on or off, edit its trigger, conditions, or action, duplicate it to reuse the pattern, or delete it if it's no longer needed. You can also see when it was created and how often it runs to monitor impact. Finally, think about other uses. Automatically assign tasks when a status changes, update status when a due date arrives, generate subtasks when a main task is created, or apply tags and priorities based on fields. The same trigger condition action pattern powers them all. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.